Welcome back, everyone. Today we're exploring an incredible piece of American history, the big 1865 silver dollar, a coin born in the same year the Civil War ended. This rare old treasure carries silver, history, and serious collector value, so stay with me because this coin might be worth far more than you think. Today we are exploring one of the most impressive large American silver coins of the 1800s, the 1865 seated Liberty silver dollar. When many people say one big dollar from 1865, they're usually referring to this heavy silver dollar, a true old-fashioned coin with large size, strong weight, and historic beauty. Collectors search for this coin because it comes from one of the most important years in American history, the final year of the Civil War. It is over 160 years old, made of real silver, and struck in relatively small numbers. Because of age, history, silver content, and collector demand, surviving examples can be worth hundreds, thousands, or even far more in exceptional grades. The year 1865 was a turning point in the United States. The Civil War ended in April 1865, President Abraham Lincoln was assassinated, and the nation began rebuilding after years of conflict. During this difficult era, many silver and gold coins disappeared from daily circulation because people saved or hoarded precious metal coins. That means silver dollars like the 1865 issue were not commonly seen in everyday pockets. Many were used in trade, banking, export business, or stored rather than spent. The seated Liberty dollar series began in 1840 and continued until 1873. By 1865, the design had already become a respected symbol of American coinage. Because silver dollars were not heavily used in normal commerce in the East, mintages were often low. This gives the 1865 coin added importance today. It represents both a historic time in America and the final years of the classic seated Liberty dollar design before later changes in U.S. coinage. The front of the coin, called the obverse, shows Lady Liberty seated on a rock. She holds a liberty pole topped by a cap, while her other hand rests on a shield marked Liberty. Around her are stars representing the states, with the date 1865 below. The image was designed by Christian Gobrecht, one of the most famous engravers in U.S. mint history. The reverse shows a powerful heraldic eagle with wings spread wide. The eagle holds arrows and an olive branch, symbolizing readiness for war and desire for peace. Around the edge are the words United States of America, with one DOL. Below, this coin is made from 90% silver and 10% copper. Its weight is approximately 26.73 grams, diameter about 38.1 millimeters, and it has a reeded edge. It feels large and substantial in hand, much bigger than modern small dollar coins. The 1865 seated Liberty dollar was struck in Philadelphia. Coins from Philadelphia at that time usually carried no mint mark, so an 1865 dollar with no mint mark is normal and expected. That means if you see an 1865 coin with a CC, S, O, or other mark, it should be carefully checked because it may be altered or counterfeit. Philadelphia coins often had the highest production standards, but because the 1865 dollar had a small mintage, even a no mint mark coin is desirable. Mint location always matters in coin collecting because some branch mints produced fewer coins, but for this date Philadelphia is the official issue. The official mintage for the 1865 seated Liberty dollar was around 47,000 pieces, which is very low compared with many later US coins. That does not mean all survived today. Many were melted, lost, damaged, or heavily worn over time. Because of this low mintage and poor survival rate, the 1865 dollar is considered scarce to rare depending on condition. In lower grades it is collectible but difficult. In high mint state grades it becomes a major prize. Value depends heavily on authenticity, eye appeal, surface quality, and professional grading. A damaged or very worn example in poor condition may still bring around $400 to $700 because of silver content and collector demand. Average circulated coins often sell in the $800 to $1,500 range. Fine examples can reach around $1,700 or more. Extremely fine coins may sell for $2,500 to $4,000. Attractive about uncirculated or lower mint state pieces can move into $5,000 to $10,000 territory. Stronger certified mint state coins can exceed that by a large margin. Exceptional examples sold through major auctions can bring tens of thousands of dollars when rarity, grade, and originality align. Premium coins with sharp strike and beautiful natural tunning are especially desired. Because this coin was made in the 1800s, true mint errors are collectible and can add strong value. Collectors look for doubled dies where letters or numbers show doubling, off-center strikes where the design is misaligned, clipped planchets where part of the metal blank is missing, die cracks caused by agging dies, broad strikes without proper collar pressure, and rotated dies where front and back are not aligned correctly. Some coins may show repunched dates or minor die varieties. However, because the coin is valuable, altered pieces and fakes exist. Any unusual example should be checked by professional grading service. Could this coin still be found today? In everyday circulation, almost certainly not. But hidden treasure stories are real. Old silver dollars have appeared in inherited collections, antique boxes, estate sales, family safes, coin jars, and forgotten drawers. Many families keep old coins without knowing their value. If someone owns a large silver US dollar dated 1865, it deserves careful attention immediately. Before selling, never clean the coin. Cleaning can destroy original surfaces and sharply reduce value. Even wiping with cloth can leave hairline scratches. Hold the coin only by the edges. Store it in a soft holder, archival flip, or protective capsule. Check the date carefully, inspect for damage, and weigh the coin if possible. Because counterfeits exist, certification from services such as PCGS or NGC can greatly improve trust and market value. Historic US silver dollars from the 1800s remain popular worldwide. The 1865 date combines Civil War history, low mintage, classic design, and real silver content. Those are powerful long-term collecting factors. Demand for original, problem-free coins is usually strongest. While no investment is guaranteed, quality examples of scarce early dollars often remain desirable over time. This coin was made in the same year the American Civil War ended. It circulated during a time when paper money and precious metal coins competed in daily commerce. Many people in 1865 may have rarely handled $1 silver coins, making it a special coin even when new. Its size and silver weight also make it feel more like treasure than modern coinage. So now you know why the 1865 big silver dollar is one of the most fascinating old American coins collectors chase today. It carries history, silver value, rarity, and serious collector appeal all in one piece. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments if you would keep this coin or sell it. And most importantly, check your old boxes, family collections, and coin jars today. You never know what treasure might be waiting.